Chapter 1 TEST Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Books Class 11th. Subject Chemistry. Marks 50. Time 1 hour. Sparkles topics covered: mole concept, empirical, molecular formula, laws of chemical combination, percentage composition, molarity, molality, mole fraction, limiting reagent, accuracy, precision, significant figures and calculations. Here are the answers with explanations and solutions for each question in sequential order. Each question is bold along with the correct option, answer, and a detailed explanation. Book section A. Multiple choice questions, 1 mark each. Question 1. Which of the following has the highest number of atoms? Correct option D. 1 mole of CH. Answer. 5 times 6.022 times 10 squared cubed atoms. Explanation. CH has 1 C atom and 4 H atoms, right pointing arrow, total 5 atoms per molecule. So, 1 mole of CH equals 6.022 times 10 squared cubed molecules times 5 atoms equals 3.011 times 10 squared to the power of 4 atoms, highest. Question 2. What is the number of significant figures in 0.004500 grams? Correct option C. 4. Answer. 4. Explanation. Only non-zero digits and trailing zeros after decimal are significant. Here, 4, 5, 0, 0 right pointing arrow, 4 significant figures. Question 3. According to the law of definite proportions, a given compound always contains. Correct option C. The same elements in the same ratio by mass. Answer. Same fixed mass ratio. Explanation. This law states that any chemical compound will always contain its component elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Question 4. 2.5 moles of O contains how many molecules? Correct option C. 1.505 times 10 squared to the power of 4. Answer. 1.505 times 10 squared to the power of 4 molecules. Explanation. Number of molecules equals moles times Avogadro number equals 2.5 times 6.022 times 10 squared cubed equals 1.505 times 10 squared to the power of 4. Question 5. The empirical formula of a compound is CH. Its molecular mass is 78. What is the molecular formula? Correct option B. CH. Answer. CH. Explanation. Empirical formula mass of CH equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. 78 thirteenths equals 6. Molecular formula equals CH equals CH. Question 6. Which reagent limits the amount of product formed in a chemical reaction? Correct option B. Limiting reagent. Answer. Limiting reagent. Explanation. Limiting reagent is the one completely consumed and thus limits the amount of product. Question 7. 0.5 molar solution means. Correct option B. 0.5 moles solute in 1000 grams solvent. Answer. 0.5 moles solute in 1 kilogram solvent. Explanation. Molality equals moles of solute, mass of solvent in kilogram. Question 8. Which law states that, under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of molecules? Correct option, C. Avogadro's law. Answer. Avogadro's law. Explanation. It is the direct statement of Avogadro's law. Question 9. Rounding off 3.4662 to 3 significant figures gives. Correct option, B. 3.47. Answer. 3.47. Explanation. Third digit is 6. Next digit 6 is greater than or equal to 5. Right pointing arrow round up. Right pointing arrow 3.47. Question 10. A solution contains 9 grams of NaCl. Molar mass equals 58.5 grams per mole in 500 milliliters of solution. What is its molarity? Correct option, B. 0.31 m. Answer. 0.31 m. Explanation. Moles equals 958.5 equals 0.1538 moles. Molarity equals 0. 1538 over 0.5 equals 0.3076 m. The correct answer is 0.308 m, which is not listed, but among options given, the closest is B, 0.31 m. Revised correct option, B. Question 16. Calculate the empirical and molecular formula of a compound containing 75% carbon and 25% hydrogen by mass. Molar mass equals 30 grams per mole. Answer. C. 75/12 equals 6.25 moles. H. 25 over 1 equals 25 moles. Divide by smallest. C. 6.25. 6.25 equals 1. H. 25 6.25 equals 4. Empirical formula equals CH. Empirical mass equals 12 plus 4 equals 16. Molecular mass equals 30. Right pointing arrow 30 16ths approximately equals 1.875. Right pointing arrow approx 2. Molecular formula equals CH equals CH. Note: formula doesn't exist practically and theoretically. Question 17. How many grams of CO will be produced when 10 grams of Ca is heated? Answer. Ca right pointing arrow Ca plus CO. Molar mass equals 100 grams. 100 grams right pointing arrow 44 grams CO. 10 grams right pointing arrow 44 100ths times 10 equals 4.4 grams CO. Question 18. A sample contains 2.40 grams Mg in 1.60 grams O. Prove law of constant proportion. Answer. Mg O equals 2.4, 1.6 equals 24/16. Mg O equals 24/16 equals 1.5. Atomic masses Mg equals 24, O equals 16. Right pointing arrow MgO ratio equals 24/16 equals 1.5. Hence, fixed ratio supports law. Question 19. 5.0 grams H and 20.0 grams O. Right pointing arrow limiting reagent and water formed. Answer. Balanced. 2H plus O right pointing arrow to HO. Moles. H equals 5 halves equals 2.5 moles. O equals 20-30 seconds equals 0.625 moles. Required 2 moles H per 1 mole O. Check. 0.625 moles O needs 1.25 moles H right pointing arrow H excess, O limiting. Product equals 2 moles HO per mole O. Water equals 0.625 times 2 equals 1.25 moles. Mass equals 1.25 times 18 equals 22.5 grams. Question 20. 5 grams urea, 95 grams water right pointing arrow mole fraction. Answer. Moles urea equals 5/60 equals 0.0833. Moles water equals 95/18 equals 5.277. Total equals 0.0833 plus 5.277 equals 5.3603. Mole fraction urea equals 0.0833, 5.3603 approximately equals 0.0155. Ledger Section D. Long answer type questions, 5 marks each. Question 21. E. Define molarity and derive formula. Molarity equals moles of solute, volume of solution in liters. M equals N, V, L. B. Moles No equals 10, 23 plus 16 plus 1, equals 10/40 equals 0.25 moles. Volume equals 500 milliliters equals 0.5 L. Molarity equals 0. 25 over 0.5 equals 0.5 m. Question 22. 30.4% N right pointing arrow. N 30. 4/14 equals 2.171. O 69. 6/16 equals 4.35. Divide by smallest. N equals 2. 171 halves. 0.171 equals 1. O equals 4.35. 2.171 equals 2. Empirical equals no. Empirical mass equals 14 plus 32 equals 46. Molecular mass equals 92. Molecular formula equals No equals NO. Question 23. Percent composition of NaSO. Molar mass equals 23 times 2 plus 32 plus 16 times 4 equals 46 plus 32 plus 64 equals 142. Percent Na equals 46 140 seconds times 100 equals 32.39%. Percent S equals 32 140 seconds times 100 equals 22.54%. Percent O equals 64 140 seconds times 100 equals 45.07%. Thank you. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Infotainment World _4U. Have a nice day.